Hey guys, welcome to Trinket YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be solving this CodeWars Kata 7 algorithm question, which is number of decimal digits. So, we'll be in this CodeWars algorithm question, we are to determine the total number of digits in the given integer. So, in this method, we are given a unsigned long int here, unsigned long, which is n. So we are to get the total number or the total length of the int given to us, of the unsigned long given to us, and then return the total length or the total number of it. So as we all know, we'll be solving this code was algorithm using on Visual Studio so that we can debug and see how it moves. So let's get started. So I'll copy this guy here, I'll copy it and take it to Visual Studio and put it inside Kata 7 class like we normally do. So I'll put it here and then uh, so I'll be solving it inside this place. So now what we are to do is, like we see the example here or the test cases here. When we are given 5, we have to return 1 because 1, you see in this example now, for example, 9 is a single digit, while 66 has 2 digits, and then 128,685 has 6 digits. So we have to return the number of digits inside the given unsigned long. So like this 5 now, it's 1 digit. So this UL at the back means it's an unsigned long. The U means unsigned while the L means long. So 5 is the main digit inside this, while the U makes it unsigned long. So that is why we have U long here. That's why we have U long here. So and then the second one here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12,345 UL. That means it has 5 digits, while the UL at the back means it is an unsigned long, and these two. So we have to return the total digits inside the unsigned long as the output. So what we are going to do now is, since we are given unsigned long as the input, we will just do this. I will first convert this unsigned long. The method I will be using, since we are setting this unsigned long as an input, I will first convert it to a string. So I will do string um unsigned long convert equals n dot to string. So immediately after doing this, once I convert this n, which is unsigned long, once I convert it to string here, that means this ul at the back will be gone. The ul at the back will be gone. It won't be there again since I've converted it to string. So the ul at the back will be gone. We are going to be left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 12,345. So I already converted it to string like that. So this ul will be gone, and then we'll be having this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. So once I've converted it to string, I can then just, it is a very simple method, a very simple function. Doesn't have much, you don't have much to do. Once I've converted this n, the unsigned long, the n as an input, once I convert it to string, I can then return ul ulong convert dot length. So I can return the length. So this will return the length of this u long here. To return the length of this u long here. So let's test this and then see how it works on debug. So let's just run it on debug and see. So since this let me first control right line. So since that method is inside kata 7, I'll first call kata 7 dot digits dot digits dot digits, and then okay, so before that I will have to first declare the unsigned long. So I can do u long n is equals to, let me first go with this guy. So let me first test this guy here. So 5ul, and then I can pass n, yeah, sorry, this n, I can pass this n inside this guy here. So if I run this guy on debug now, I set breakpoint here. If I set breakpoint here, I set breakpoint, and I run it on debug, you see. So we'll first convert the n to string, the n which is the input, we first convert it to string. So here now, you can see in this place, I declare the n, the u long, as 5ul. So 5 is the main digit there. Why this ul makes it unsigned long. So you see, after converting it, you see that is now 5. The ul convert ul is now just ordinary 5. So if you check this place now, you see it is 5. The ul is now 5. The unsigned long converts here. The string unsigned long is now what? Is 5. So it has removed this ul at the back. The ul at the back is not there. See, the ul at the back is not there. It's just 5. So, and then I'm now returning I mean, I'm now returning the length of the ul convert, which is, if you check this place now, you see the ul convert is what is the ul convert dot length is what is 1. So I'm now returning 1, which is the length. So it's now 1. So I'm returning 1 here. You can see this place 1, which is the output for this first one 1. You can see it here. So if we test this guy here too, same thing. If we test this guy here, we stop this debug, and then we test this guy. It will still be the same thing. Let me just run it. You see, it will remove, it will, let's run it on debug. So we are returning the length, which is 5. 5. So it is 5. Let's see here, it is 5. And if we do the same thing for this, you will see it is what we do the same thing. Let me stop the debug. If we do the same thing and paste this guy here, you see, let me just run it normally without debug. So you can see the output is 10, which is what we are supposed to have, 10. So it is very simple, very short, and very straightforward. It's just convert it from convert the u long, the unsigned long, convert it to string, and then return the length of the string. So sorry. If we do this now, let's test it and see if we will pass the test cases or not, or we still have something we need to fix. So we pass the test cases. That's just what you need to do. You don't have to do much. It is very short, it's very simple, and it's very straightforward. So let's attempt and see if we are going to pass it. So we passed all the test cases. It is very short, very simple, and very straightforward. The U long means it's an unsigned long. It's a data type in C#. It's a data type. So we have int, we have long, we have U long. The U long can contains a lot of, like, you understand, normal int has limit, long has its own limit, while U long also has the limit it can contain. So the U long just means it is a U long, and then you just convert it to string. After that, you return the length, and then you are good to go. So that is that for that. So Thanks, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this to Train Check YouTube channel. Like this video, comment on this video, and turn on the notification icon so that I can get notified anytime we upload new content. And if you have any algorithm you want us to help you to solve, maybe you have, I know, even though it's not on CodeWars, maybe from other coding websites, you can just drop it in the comment section. We will help you solve it and then release the video for you to watch. So guys, see you later.